Hey guys, we got the QX90C Pro version today, so we're going to fly this thing. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. This is the drone I was looking for about a year ago when I was looking for a fun brushed motor FPV quad. What did I want that this thing has? We have the adjustable camera, which is nice. If we take a peek in here, you can see that I've got a beeper on it as well, which is pretty awesome. And it's frisky, so we can fly it on our Tyrannus. Also has OSD, which is pretty cool. Now, you may notice this set of goggles on my head. I'm going to fly it with these new Eachine EV900s. Not a bad picture. So we'll talk about these as well.
So we're going to fly this around a little bit, and you can see these 8520 Black Edition coreless brushed motors are legit. It's got some serious punch, which makes it a lot of fun to fly, but not super great to video. So check it out. Okay, well, I did say I would fly it on these Eachine EV900s. I will, but unfortunately it does not have a DVR on it. So I'm recording it using my OTG Eachine receiver connected to my Android phone. So the picture isn't quite as nice as those EV900s. Now, those EV900s have one of the best pictures I've ever seen. The problem is they are super uncomfortable and do not fit well. So while I'd like to blame the goggles for some of my flying, that's partially true, maybe not that crash, but yeah, I had to actually reach up and adjust them at times while I was flying. Great picture, terrible design, probably not going to recommend them. But you can see this is the Eachine QX90 zipping around the backyard here. It does a nice job. I'm a little out of practice. I got to get back to flying now that the weather's getting nice. We'll be doing more of that. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.